Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to create a new dictionary from an existing dictionary in Python. Suppose we have this dictionary. Now we want to create a copy of this dictionary. But this copy should not be linked copy. It should be a shallow copy. It means the changes done in one dictionary should not affect the another dictionary. There are two ways to do this. First one is using the dictionary comprehension. Here we will iterate over all the key value pairs of old dictionary, and then we will populate these key value pairs in a new dictionary using the dictionary comprehension. So it will create a shallow copy. The content will be same as the previous dictionary. But if we make any changes in the previous dictionary, it should not affect the new dictionary. So like here we change the value for this key to 100. Now if we check the new dictionary, the value remains 38. But if we print the old dictionary, the value is 100. So this is how we can create a copy of an existing dictionary. So there is another simple way to do that. Let's see that. So this is our old dictionary. So instead of using dictionary comprehension, we can use the copy method of the dictionary. It will return a shallow copy of the existing dictionary. We can print its content. The content is similar to the old dictionary. But what if we change anything in this new dictionary? Like if we want to change the value of key Justin, the new value is 99. So if we check the new dictionary, it should have the updated value. Whereas if we check the old dictionary, it will have the old value 38. Because the new dictionary was the shallow copy of the old dictionary. Therefore, any changes made in this dictionary will not be affected in the old dictionary. So this is how we can create a copy of an existing dictionary in Python.